Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to take photos in Heartopia. First, just tap on the camera icon on your screen. This one. Just tap on it. And then after that, just move and adjust your camera to get the angle that you like. For example, like this. And then just tap this button to adjust the angle, the positions as you like. For example, like this. And then on the left side you can use this slider to zoom in or zoom out like this, this slider, so you can frame your shot perfectly. And once everything looks good, just simply tap the camera button to take a photo like this. And one important thing to remember, this camera feature will only unlock after you reach level 3. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you can ready to take awesome photo in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.